Okay, nakita ba yung whiteboard?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, for number 1, log x plus log x minus 9 equals 1. Ang sagot dito ay 10. Okay, so paano yon? Magiging, so plus siya, apply natin yung product rule. Magiging log x times x minus 9 equals 10 raised to 1. So yung base ng both side, nung dalawang log na hindi nakita ay 10. Okay? So next, distribute natin yung okay, wait lang. Burahin ko lang muna to. Okay, so magiging x times x minus 9 equals 10 raised to 1. Okay, pag dinistribute natin to, magiging x squared minus 9x minus 10 equals 0. Okay. Ano yung 2 factors ng x squared minus 9x minus 10? X plus 1 tsaka x minus 10 equals 0. So yung x of 1 natin, negative 1. Dito naman, x of 2 natin ay positive 10. Sa dalawa, pag inilagay natin yung negative 1 tsaka 10 dito sa given natin, ang tatama dyan ay 10. Okay, sagot sa number 1 ay letter C. Okay, for number 1, letter C. Okay, next, number 2. Okay, for number 2, solve for the x if log x plus 3 squared equals 2. So ito ang given sa number 2. Okay, ang tamang sagot dyan, both true yung tsaka negative 13. So letter A tsaka B ang sagot. A and B. Paano yung nakuha? Okay, so ang gawin natin, siya exponential form. Magiging x plus 3 squared equals 10 raised to 2. Etong 10, dito nang galing sa base ng log na hindi nakikita. Ito exponent na 2 dito sa 2 na to. Okay? Okay, next. We get the square root of both sides. Magiging x plus 3, positive, negative, 10. Kasi 10 squared, 1,000. Square root of 1,000, ilan? Sorry. 10 squared, 100. Square root ng 100 ay 10. Okay? So, next. X plus 3, then kunin natin yung positive side ng 10, plus 10 equals 0. Isa naman, minus. X plus 3 minus 10 equals 0. Dito, ang x of 1 natin, pag ginamit natin yung plus 10, ay negative 13. Dito naman, Ang x sub 2 natin, gamit yung negative 10, what? Positive 7. Okay. Kapag binalik mo parehas yung 13 tsaka 7 dito sa given natin, para silang mag-equal sa 2. So therefore, both A and B are correct. Okay? Para 7 at negative 13. Okay, next. Number 3. Okay, ano muna class, mute muna. Lahat mag-mute muna para di maingay. Okay, next. Number 3. Ang given naman na natin sa number 3. Okay, solve the value of x in the equation log base 2 of 64 equals x. Log base 2 of 64 equals x. Okay, gawin natin exponential form. 2 raised to x equals 64. Okay, so gawin natin yung parehas yung base nila. 2 raised to x, ito, ang base ng 2 para maging 64 ay 6. So para sa silang 2, maka-cancel na. So ang x natin ay 6. So letter C ang number 3. Okay, next, number 4. Okay, for number 4, solve for x in the equation log base 81 of 3 equals x. Or ibang basa dito, logarithm of 3 to the base 81 equals x. So, gawin natin siyang exponential form. So, pag exponential form, 81 raised to x equals 3. So, 81 raised to x equals 3. O gawin natin common base na 3 sila parehas. Ang 3 nila sa left ay 3, ang right ay 3. Ang exponent nito ay 1. Sa left naman, ang exponent ni 3 para maging 81. 4. Then, i-connect natin si x. So, cancel na si 3. Magiging 4x equals 1. So, solving for x, we divide both sides by 4. Cancel na si 4 sa left. Magiging x equals 1/4. Or, ano sagot dyan sa number 4? Letter A. Ayan. So, letter A ang sagot sa number 4. 1/4. Okay, next. Andiyan pa ba kayo, class? Hello?
Hi.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Next, number 5. Sige, paki-mute ulit. Okay, number 5. What is the value of x in the equation log 0.001 equals x? So, log 0.001 equals x. So, gawin natin, ang base natin na hindi nakita ay 10. So, 10 raised to x equals 0.001. So, 10 raised to x equals 0.001. Okay. So, 10 raised to x equals 0.001 means 10 raised to negative 3. So, balik mo siya pa kanan. Tatlo siya. 1, 2, 3. So, umatras siya ng tatlo means negative 3. So, para sa siyang 10, cancel ang 10. Ang answer natin ay x equals negative 3. Okay. So, number 5 ay letter D. Okay, next, number 6. Okay, ang given sa 6, solve for x. Log 625 to the base x equals 4. So, paano to? Means x to the 4th power. So, paikot siya. X to the 4th power equals 625. So, x to the 4th power equals 625. Okay. So, para mawala yung 4, we multiply yung exponent nung left tsaka right by 1/4. Okay. So, 4 times 1/4. kunin mo lang yung reciprocal niya. Kung naglagay ka ng 1/4 sa left na exponent, sa kabila naman, maglagay ka rin ng 1/4. So, makancel na to. X equals to 625 raised to 1/4 or 4th root of 625. Okay. Gamit ang inyong calculator, anong value ng 625 raised to 1/4 or 4th root of 625? Dapat ilan? Sige nga, sino kaya sumagot? Anong 4th root of ilan?
25, sir. 156.5.
4th root of 625 or 625 raised to 1/4? Ilan?
156.25.
Instead na 1/4, gawin niya lang 625 raised to 0.25. Paki-double check sa calculator, dapat ang magiging sagot ay 5.
5, sir.
Yan, 5.
Sir, tama 5.
5. So anong letter sa number 6? Letter B. So the correct answer sa number 6 ay B. Ayan. Okay, next, number 7. Okay, 7. Solve the equation. So log base 5 of 1/625 equals X. So, gawin natin siya exponential form muna. 5 raised to X equals 1/625. So, 5 raised to X equals 1/625. So, magiging 5 raised to X equals anong gagawin dito para maging 5 din to? Ano exponent ni 5 para maging 1/625?
4.
Okay, very good. 5 raised to 4. Then, times negative. Kasi, itong 1/625 means 625 raised to negative 1. Ayan. Kaya may times negative 1 pa siya. So, maka-cancel na si 5. X equals negative 4. Anong letter yan sa number 7? Letter D. Okay, so letter D ang sagot sa number 7. Okay, number 8. Okay, for number 8, solve for X. Log base 3 of 2x plus 5 equals 2. Okay, gawin natin siyang exponential form pa rin. 3 raised to 2 equals 2x plus 5. So 3 raised to 2 equals 2x plus 5. Okay, 3 squared means 9 equals 2x plus 5. Then transposition. 0 equals 2x plus 5 minus 9. So 0 equals 2x minus 4. Si negative 4 transpose sa kabila, magiging 4 equals 2x. Para maging x na lang, we divide both sides by 2. Anong final answer natin? Positive 2. So that is letter C. Letter C, positive 2. Okay, next, number 9. Okay, for number 9, solve for X. Log base 3 of 4x plus 23 minus log base 3 of x plus 2 equals 2. Okay, paano yung procedure na to? So, ang common base natin, pag ginawa natin siya exponential form, ang base natin ay 3, exponent ay 2. So, 3 squared equals, pag subtract, dinidivide natin ang kanyang single form, no? Yung pag kinompress natin. So, magiging numerator natin, 4x plus 23 divided by x plus 2. Okay. Magiging 3 squared, 9. 9 equals 4x plus 23 all over x plus 2. Then we cross multiply. Okay. Magiging 9 times x plus 2 equals 4x plus 23. So 9 times x, 9x. 9 times 2 plus 18. So 4x plus 23. Then pagsamasamahin natin yung magkakatulad, so 18, itong 23 magiging negative 23. Itong 9x sa left magiging minus 9x. So magiging 18 minus 23, negative 5. 4x minus 9x, negative 5x. So ang value na x natin, pag divide natin both sides by negative 5, x equals negative divided by negative, positive 1. That is letter. Anong letter ang positive 1 sa number 9? Letter C. Sa number 9, ang sagot ay letter C. Okay, number 10. Okay, for number 10, solve for x.
Number 10 na agad.
Recorded naman to. Kung huli kayong pumasok sa Zoom, isi-send ko yung recorded video ng Let's Try, no? Later on. Okay? So, mapapanood nyo ulit yung, yung number 1 kung paano sinolve. Okay, next.
Right.
Number 10. E raised to 0.4x equals 50. So, gawin natin, take the logarithms of both sides. Pag kinuha natin logarithms ng both sides, magiging, yung e mawawala, magiging 0.4x na lang. Sa left naman, ln 50. Okay? Then solve for x. We divide both sides by 0.4. Cancel. X equals, gamit ang calculator, ln 50 divided by 0.4, 9.78 dapat. Ang pinaka-close na sagot dyan ay 9.4, which is letter A. Okay, next, number 11. Okay, 11. Find the solution set of log base 2 of x greater than or equal to 4. So magiging, log base 2 of x greater than or equal to 4. So 2 raised to 4 equals x. Or means x is greater than or equal to 2 raised to 4. Means x is greater than or equal to 2 raised to the 4th power, 16.
16.
Okay, a solution set natin dyan ay letter A. So 16 to positive infinity. Okay, number 12. Solution set ng log base 6 of x plus 8 less than or equal to 2. So, pag exponential form siya, 6 raised to 2, tapos yung sagot sa kabilang side ay x plus 8. So, 6 squared, tapos yung sagot sa kabila ay x plus 8. Then yung inequality sign natin ay less than equal. Okay, so magiging x plus 8 less than equal to 36. Transpose natin yung 8 sa right side, magiging 36 minus 8, 28. So, x is less than or equal to 28 if x is greater than negative 8. So, ano yung nakikita nyo may negative 8 tsaka 28 dyan? Letter B. Ang sagot. Negative 8 to 28. Okay, next 13. Okay, for 13, log base 5 of 3x plus 2 less than log base 5 of 2x plus 5. So, common, gamit ang 1-to-1 property, maka-cancel yung log base 5. Matitira na lang yung 3x plus 2 sa left. Tapos, 2x plus 5 sa right. Ang base natin ay greater than 1. So, retain yung inequality sign. Okay, so later on, using transposition, magiging 3x minus 2x less than 5 minus 2. 3x minus 2x, x. 5 minus 2, 3. Okay, next. Ang sagot natin ay letter B. Negative 2/3 tsaka 3. Etong 3 dito nang galing sa na-solve natin. Etong negative 2/3 dito sa 3x plus 2. Okay, next 14. Solve the inequality negative 2 less than log x less than 2. Okay, ang sagot dyan ay letter C. 0.01 tsaka 100. O, paano nakuha yan? So, ang base natin ay 10. Log base 10 of x is greater than negative 2. Kung isa naman, log base 10 of x is less than 2. So, 10 raised to negative 2 ay 0.01. Okay? So, ito yung 0.01. Isa naman, 10 raised to 2, 100. So, dyan galing yung 100. So, ang sagot sa number 14 ay letter C. Okay, last, number 15. Okay, for 15, a sum of money is invested at an annual percentage rate of 10,000 compounded quarterly. How long will it take for the investment to double in value? So, ang formula natin sa compound interest ay A equals P times 1 plus R raised to N. Okay. Pakita ulit natin yung tanong sa number 15. Okay, pakibasa nga class yung number 15. Pakibasa. Any volunteer?
Sum of money is invested at an annual percentage rate of 10% compounded quarterly. How long will it take for the investment to double in value?
Okay. So pakita natin sa whiteboard yung solution. Okay. So ito yung ating pinaka-formula ng gagamitin. So sabi daw, how long it take for the investment to double in value? Yung investment yung P. yung A, yung double in value. So magiging 2 of B. Kung dodoble yung magiging value ng investment. Investment natin yung P. Okay? Times 1 plus, ang rate na given ay 10% or 0.10. Dahil compounded quarterly, we divide by 4. Yung N naman, yung time natin, unknown, no? Ay nang hinahanap natin. So dahil quarterly siya, yung time, multiply din natin sa, kung dito nag-divide tayo ng 4, sa time, mag-multiply tayo ng 4. Okay? Next. Ang common sa left and right na pwede i-cancel ay 4, ay P. So magiging 2 na lang siya. 2 equals 1 plus 0.10 divided by 4. Ang sagot nyo sa calculator ay 1.025 raised to 40. Okay? Okay, next. Apply natin yung logarithm. Pag naglagay tayo ng logarithm sa left, maglagay kayo ng logarithm sa right. So log 2 equals log of 1.025 raised to 40. Anong next? Magiging log 2 equals, yung 40, pwedeng gamitan natin ng power rule, lalaki siya. Magiging 40 times log 1.025. Okay? So we divide both sides by log 1.025. Ito ay log 1.025. So cancel. Magiging 40 equals log 2 divided by log 1.025. 40 equals log 2 divided by log 1.025. Ilan na lalabas sa calculator? 2807. So 28.07. So we divide both sides by 4. So 40 equals 28.07. So divided by 4 para maginti na lang. So T equals 7.017. 7.017 or approximately 7 years. Okay? Ang tamang sagot sa number 15 ay letter A. Okay, so ayun lahat, no? Okay, so meron ba bang katanungan bago ko end yung session? Hello?
Wala po, sir.
Okay, so Merry Christmas. See you next year. So thank you for listening. So yung recorded na to.
Merry Christmas, sir.
Okay, sige.
Merry Christmas po, sir. Merry Christmas, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.